Guys, it's your girl Real Betty B. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're most definitely welcome. Please do well to subscribe. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make roasted plantain, popularly known as boli, and coral sauce. Without further ado, let's jump right in. This is a blend of red and green bell peppers, onions, carrots, and ginger. Ripe plantain seasoned with salt and black pepper. Arrange plantain in a non-stick pan. Pan toast for some minutes on low heat. Cover to steam. Heat some oil. Fry onions, pepper blend for some minutes. Add pepper paste, rosemary, crayfish, seasoning cube, noodle seasoning, boiled mackerel and coral fish, salt, and cap it with chopped mint leaves. Flip the plantain in order to toast the other side. There you go. This is the result. Roasted plantain with coral sauce is ready. I am sincerely short of words right now to describe the taste of this delicacy. You really need to try this. Anyways, thank you for spending your precious time with me. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time, see you.